I present to you King Ukadike of Umomaku. Long live the king.
Long live the king.
Che Umomaku Queen.
Yeah.
Umomaku Mon.
Yeah.
Rien.
Yeah.
Where's Wono? Thank you. My esteemed elders and most trusted advisors. I stand here today humbled by the weight of this crown. In appreciation for your unwavering support. Together, we shall move this kingdom into the era of prosperity and peace. And
Your Highness, allow me to offer a wine for the royal priest.
go ahead, please. Umomaku Queen. Mon. Rien. Where's Wono? Like I said, we are going to marry today. Thank you. Yes.
It's a great day.
Of course it is.
Great day. Thank you.
Of course. Oh no.
My king.
I've been waiting for a day like this in our kingdom. It's a great day.
The prosperity, unity, and peace in the world. No.
Long live my king.
Hello.
Nice one. Well, this is not all. We still have a lot and many. I want you all to enjoy your drinks and then soon go downstairs for the royal banquet. Jab. What's going on? Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God.
Surprise, Your Highness. Do you really think you could escape the consequences of your actions?
You?
Because Prince Okadike, Kama never forgets. You may wear a crown, but your crimes will always find you.
Guts! 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 Help!
The spirit whispered warning today. Something dark lingers in the air. May Udana Abal protect me. May their spirits guide my path.
No! What a bright day. You can see
everywhere is bright and even brighter. The birds are singing, I believe you can hear it. And everywhere is just so bright because my best friend, the prince, will be crowned the king of this kingdom. And starting from today's more, you will no longer address me as China Quality as a board. You will address me as Ono. You want to go?
The day may be fair, but you have to be aware of the dangers.
Danger?
Yes.
There is no danger that more China Quality is afraid of. In fact, you and your ancestors, coupled with all the ancestors, both the ones you can see and the ones that are invisible, none of you can do anything to stop the coronation of the prince. Sorry. I am not drunk. I'm only exercising my Wolverine movement.
I can see it.
You understand?
It's not early to get drunk. You can drink more till you're merry. You can come to my house. I have a gallon of fresh palm wine waiting for you.
In fact, come, let me tell you something. You see today, the kind of you know, since 2 weeks now I've not drunk. No, I've not drank. No, I've not drinking. In fact, since 2 weeks now, come on. By the time I am done, Eben Naga, I will come and check your own palm wine if it is good. So, as someone like I was saying, if you are done, then you put me on a bem, because I already have plenty.
Something important to tell you.
What is it? Wait, what are you holding, Nancy? What is it?
I'm pregnant. We are going to have a baby.
You're pregnant?
Yes.
Are you serious?
What do we do? What about your father? Is he in the house?
Yes, my father is.
What is this nonsense? Why are you bothering my son? Have I not told you not to come to this house again?
I just wanted to tell Uzo something.
You have no place here, girl. Uzo, my son, will not be marrying someone with your kind of family background.
Nah, stop what happened now. What's that one now? You're speaking as if you don't know. You don't know that Ngozi here is my girl. Yeah? If you want to talk to Ngozi, talk to her with some respect. Which one is your family background?
Listen, son, I am the Ono of this kingdom, and you want to disrespect me by bringing this thing into my family? Now, young girl, get out.
You don't get out.
Now! You are not welcome here. Uzo, my son, will never marry.
But now, Papa, you can't chase away just like that now. Yeah? Papa, stop this thing, oh. Stop this thing, oh. Papa, I'm a grown man. I am a grown man. I know my left and my right. Yeah? I know what is good and bad. I know what I want and what I don't. I can take responsibility as a man now. Yeah? Stop interfering in anything that concerns me. Allow me to do my things my way. Yeah?
Responsibility? You dare talk of responsibility when you disgrace the family name by getting involved with a common low life? I will not discuss this topic again.
Come on, Papi, go. Ijego, who not chase Sabumeba and was there. Come on. Ijego, where you mean? What am I even going to inherit when you die? Or someone else.
Wake up, dear brother. Today is your coronation day. Wake up.
Hi. Mama, good morning.
Good morning.
Is it time already?
Oh yes, the sun has risen and the kingdom awaits their new ruler. I wish our parents were here to witness this day. They would have been so proud of what we've accomplished together.
Hey. They may not be here with us in person, but I believe they are with us in spirit. And they are watching our every step. Their legacies live on, and we will forever honor their memories.
Now let's go prepare. The kingdom awaits their new ruler. Get up, let's go.
Go ahead, go ahead. I'll do me, you go do you.
Come on. Mom, let me help you. Stop stressing yourself.
Mom, you've done enough stacks in the house already. Let me help you with this one. Huh? I don't want to bother you. See, you know what? Just go and cook. Let me continue with this one.
Mama, you're not bothering me. Besides, it's my privilege to help you. Okay, stop doing all these things. Stop stressing yourself. Besides, there's something important I want to tell you. Okay, Mama, you know, I've been researching and I found this hospital that specializes on eye surgeries. And I want you to go there so they can treat you.
Mama. Thank you. But you're forgetting something. Money for the surgery. Even if we sell everything we have, including this house, we cannot raise the money. Your sister is there at the palace, working day and night, just for the money of this surgery. But we cannot even feed from the money.
Mama, don't worry. Money will come. What if a friend of mine decides to help financially? Mama, miracles happen, no? Just have faith. Let's just keep praying. Don't worry, we'll go for your eye surgery. I believe, I have faith.
Marachi Mwam, thank you for not losing hope on me. Thank you so much. You're my miracle child.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama,
don't worry. We'll get through this together, okay? Go for your eye surgery and you'll see again. Okay, let me take you inside now. Then I'll come out. Stop stressing yourself. Stop sweeping. Okay? If you need anything, just call me.
Who's the one name? Who's on my brother?
Ago.
Who's the one? Hey, my brother.
Just look at you. Oh, God, I'm on the key. No.
I beg you, take it easy, Daddy.
The designer spec. Where will I ever make money?
Who's up? What is wrong with you now? Hey, my brother.
Guy, the fresh, man.
Man, it's good to see you again, bro.
Get out of here. You're too sweet. You're too sweet.
How far now? What's happening now, my
Nah,
bro?
everything good though. Everywhere good though. So how far now?
You see him now. We dey here now.
You see him now. Yeah? If I just tell you, say princess, one call you. Yes.
You're
a criminal.
No, now, my brother, eh?
Yeah?
You know, I came to experience this, your legendary delicate.
It's a lie, brother. I down for you. I'm a guy man, no.
No, now, my brother, eh? Me, I came to experience this, your legendary hospitality.
It's a lie. Black and white lie. What are you saying? Is it not because I told you yesterday that the princess will be coming today? That's why you're here.
Brother, no loud am now. Eh? But that's why you're my friend now,
not
at
loud
least. Eh?
indeed.
I will use that opportunity now. Come and see you always now. Or you don't want me around?
You're a thief. You're a thief. You're here to steal dresses on the princess.
My brother.
You think I don't know?
What to do now, my guy?
That's what to do. As you fresh like this, one day, like 20 now.
No, and you know together. We there together, my brother.
You know my princess. You know the princess and my father like this.
I know.
20 ba.
I know.
My boss, you say the princess
Don't worry,
now.
don't loud it. Let's sit down. We'll talk about
20
it.
ba.
So how is everything going now?
Everywhere is good. Now we did.
I had the preparation and all now.
I am super duper excited that our dear elder brother will soon be the crowned king of Umuaku Kingdom. I mean, it's a dream come true. I can't believe it.
Indeed, Adizi, it's a dream come true. I can already imagine the grandeur of the coronation ceremony. Our brother is going to make a very wise and just king, just as he has always dreamed.
I told you so. Oh, here comes the future king of Umuaku Kingdom. Is everything okay? You look nervous.
I was thinking of a dream I had some time ago about a coronation. It was surreal. I think it's going to happen now.
Oh. Ukadiki, don't tell me you still believe in those dreams. They are mere dreams.
I know. But it just popped up in my head right now.
And remember, those dreams you usually have when your father always told you not to bother about them. I mean, you shouldn't be. Like my sister just said, they're mere dreams. Okay? Now put a smile on that face, brother.
Talking about dreams, who do you think will get married first? You or Adizi?
Funny enough, I was going to ask the same question. You know, the people of Umuaku cannot wait to meet their future queen. So who do you think will get married first?
About that, I have a surprise for you two right after the coronation.
Okay. We can't wait, right?
Mama, I'm coming.
Marachi,
Mama,
where are you going to?
Mama, I'm going to the palace. I want to collect money for the kitchen.
Money for what?
Money for your drugs. Your drugs are almost finished. I need to get new.
Marachi, are you going to the palace to collect the money for the coronation? Or you think I don't know that this is the coronation?
Mama, I'm going to the palace to collect money from Nkechi. I've called her already. She's expecting me. Yes, Mama.
Okay. Go and come back on time. Remember we're cooking soup today. I get toffee. I don't want to go hungry. I go when I'm not.
Mama, I'm coming.
Yeah.
Take care of yourself.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
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 We're going to the palace for money or for the coronation. And I'm going to pay.
You heard that the prince promised to give the youth of this community 30 million after his coronation.
My sister, I've heard though. I just pray and wish that one of my brothers will be chosen. Eh? The prince is just a kind person. I have never heard or seen any prince from any community do such thing.
He should win the best crown prince in the whole 7 kingdoms, and after that, he promised to find a maid, and I pray he chooses me.
Did I hear you right? Choose you. When a beautiful maiden like me is still in this palace.
And who is talking about beauty? The prince did not need any beautiful maiden. He needs a maiden that can dance. Just watch him too.
My friend, just stop disgracing yourself. Can you imagine?
You see how useless you all are? Standing here constituting nuisance when you should be working. Today of all! Nonsense. You better be fast before I am back. Get back to duty. Excuse me.
Why does she act like she's one of the princesses of this kingdom?
I mean, she's acting like one of the royal household.
And she's working here with us as a maiden.
Who are you to tell me when to visit my friend and when not to visit my friend? Huh? What is wrong with you? Are you mad? Engulu, Kai? Do you know who I am? No, look at me, fine boy. Fine boy. Best friend to the prince. Do you know who I am? Ichokam?
See, Chipoliteze. Oh, what did they call you? Chipoliteze. Today we are having a very big, this palace is having a very big occasion today. So we don't need somebody like you here today. We don't need somebody like you. Please, come on for you.
Shut up. You don't need somebody like me. Look at me. Have you seen me? Big boy, best friend to the king of in fact, the soon to be king of this kingdom. You are telling me you don't need my type of person in this place. In fact, you know what? Go inside and tell the prince that I said Muwabuchi Oniteze said that I am here. My phone is not here. I come up where? Do you understand? And if you are going, go with your resignation letter. Because I will make sure that these toothpick legs of yours will not walk into this place again. Go and go.
See, let me tell you. I don't want to use force on you. I don't want to use force on you. See, make I tell you, eh? See, very soon now, so many kings from different villages will be coming here. Did you hear me? So leave now.
So many kings will be coming and you do not want me, the best friend to the king, to be present and witness his coronation. In Ulumwe?
There's no power in here.
Are you drunk? You are drunk! You are drunk, my child! Shut up! Shut up! In Ulumwe? Look. I don't want to be hard on you. I must see the prince. Hold on. Prince! You don't need somebody like me. How can you not need somebody like me in the coronation of my friend? Then you say about what? I must enter here.
You know what you thought?
My prince. Dear, come and open this place. I must come. This guy has closed his... My prince! My prince, I am here! Chiponiteza is here! Tell that riffraff to come and open this gate.
What do you want to say today? It's not yet time for celebration.
No, I'm not here for the celebration. I want to see my sister.
You want to see your sister? You know it's not possible, but I cannot let you in.
Ha, please now. Please, I want to collect money for my mother's medicine. I will leave.
You sure? You sure?
Yes.
But don't let Princess Adeze to see you.
She will not see me, please.
I saw it! I must go inside! I saw it! Bia! Remind me that your stupid name. You let that small girl in, and anytime I come, you push me as if you are pushing away poverty. Huh? You do not know the law. You do not know the law of this palace. Best friend to soon to become king of this land will not go inside. Man, as small girls will go inside. Anytime you see me, push me as if you are pushing away poverty. Me fellow in this place, I must go inside. I must go inside.
I will blow your hand. Come on.
You want to blow my eyes? You know what? For you to have pushed me away from this place, this very hand, immediately my friend, the prince, becomes the king of this land. My first request, go to this firewood and give it to me. You throw my cap on the floor. Yes. You throw my cap on, I will kill you now. Yeah. Open this. If for this boy, open this place now. You are letting small girls inside, and anytime I come, you push me away. Come and open here. Come on. My prince. I'm a Buddhist guy one day. I will kill him. In fact, I am not going anywhere. I will make sure I block this place like Obachi. I have Bachie here. Nobody will go inside if I did not go. I Bachie me. Obachi. Bachie the place.
You're planning for your daughter, is it?
You know, this will be your last meal as a prince of this kingdom.
Adize, you're even happier than the celebrants.
Of course I am. Do you know how long I have waited for my brother to take back the seat from the Uno? That man practically acts like he's the king, forgetting that he is going to hand it over someday.
Come on. He was just doing his job. And he's very good at it.
Oh, please,
Trust me.
I don't like it. I don't like how proud he is. I mean, raising his... Anyways, I would want you to do something when you become the king. You know, get new hands. Like a new Uno, you know, a new cabinet. Just, you know, change everything.
Adeza, you know remains the no until his death.
Is that some kind of law?
Come on. These are discussions for men and not women.
There he goes again.
I need to allow me finish my meal so I can join the cabinet members. It's going to be a long day for me today. Huh?
Sorry.
Amarachi, you should have come yesterday. The princess will be angry with me if she sees you. She warned us about today. Sister, I was busy yesterday. Besides, she knows I'm your sister, so don't be scared. Nothing will happen. Mama, you should leave now. I am on duty. Please leave.
Okay, fine, I'll leave. Hey, sister, before I go, can I look around the company? You know, the palace is so beautiful.
Just go. Okay.
Sister now. Sister now.
How did you get in here?
I sneaked in and I'm here. You guys really need tight security.
You know, I was really hoping to see you.
I'm here.
And I'm glad.
So, how's the preparation going?
As it's supposed to. My sisters are really helping me out, especially Adeze.
Wow. She really has your interest at heart.
Oh, yes.
So, I need to leave now before they see me here.
You know, my sisters will be very surprised when I pronounce you my queen immediately after my coronation.
And you think they will accept that? Me, a commoner, the queen of this kingdom. Possible. Stop all this thing.
In no time, I will be king. And whatever I say will be law. You have nothing to worry about.
Okay.
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. By the power vested on me, as you know of this kingdom, I hereby crown you.
My priest! My priest! My priest! My priest!
What is the meaning of this?
What's going on here? What is going on here? Can someone say something?
What is the meaning of this?
I was waiting for you.
Waiting for me? For what? Did I not tell you to leave before the princess sees you?
You know, the other time you left, I didn't hear what you said. So, I'm about going. I'm going.
Amarachi, were you just coming from the building? What are you up to? I know where you are coming from, so don't give me that innocent thing. You will be my doom one day.
Star.
From the look of this, it's like I was taking poison.
What? Somebody there poisoned my brother in this palace?
Ah! Alwe me. Chie wele fife chie.
Talk to me.
Ezemo, do something.
What's that sound for?
Go!
I'm going now. What happened?
Izimo, please, what's happening to my brother?
The prince has been poisoned. With Otaba. A very bad illness.
I've never heard of such sickness before.
Why is one? How long does it take before it wears off?
Well, it's only the culprit that can neutralize this. What's it that you do?
Izimo, I need you to tell me who did this to my brother. Who poisoned the future king of this kingdom?
The culprit is still in this palace. Assemble all souls in this palace.
Osandu! 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 Come here. Now listen to me and listen good. On no account should anyone leave or enter this palace. Not even the smallest ant should leave this palace. Have I made myself clear?
Yes. But my princess, what about the neighboring kings that are on their way coming?
Are you deaf or feigning to be deaf? I said no one, and I mean no one should leave or enter this palace. except you want to lose you.
Okay, my princess.
Why does your father hate me so much? Does he have to speak to me in that manner?
Look, you have to understand my father. Alright? My father is not actually a bad person. Look, I'll look for a way to convince my father to let me marry you, okay?
I don't even understand. Must your father have a say on who you should marry?
What are you saying? He's my father. I'll definitely need my father's blessings in my marriage. Or are you in any way trying to tell me to go against my father's will? Huh?
Uzonnaya, you know our tradition. You need to come and see my parents and do the needful before they find out I'm pregnant.
I was going to tell you to get rid of it. Yes, that will give me enough room to convince my father. Just get rid of the baby.
Wait, Uzonnaya, are you insinuating I have an abortion? It's your child we're talking about here.
How am I even sure it's my child? Just get rid of it.
How dare you? How dare you, Uzonnaya? Because the day I met you.
Was I wrong? I shouldn't have said that to her.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who is the prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanande John, and we're gonna do. Dear Quincy, and we're gonna do. The evil people are taking control. And then it's witty. It's the phone now. And we're gonna do. And then it's witty.
There's something here. Oh.
And we're gonna do. Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this? Who is behind this? Nyamarakwai, that's on myriad days of you waka. Alusia bona wata no nisia. On their feraya robu emanu. Nobody can curse whom God has blessed. Sarah can enjoy.
We are leaving this palace with some maidens. The Ezemo said if the priest doesn't wake up, that everybody in this palace will go down with him.
Yeah, you're right. But how do you intend to do that? The princess instructed everybody not to leave the palace.
We'll go through the back door.
The back door, you're right, but are you with the kids? How about Okamaka?
Are you going with us or not? And why are you acting about the Obasabi girl?
Yeah. What are you girls doing here?
Get lost now!
I will have my eyes on you, girl.
Yo go go,
Wise one, why is the ghost still silent?
Why is my brother not waking up?
Quiet! Don't interrupt the spirits. Allow the spirits to speak.
Please do something. I don't want anything to happen to my brother. Please talk to the gods.
Then I need to be left alone. I need you. Ayagere ayamu. Oko mambu ye dalime. Good job.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who is every prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble.
I guess they are preparing for the ceremony.
I guess that's the reason you came to see me again.
How about now? Why are you talking like that now? Eh? You know my guy. Eh? And moreover, why is your face like this? Eh? What is the problem?
No, Dogo, I'm going through a lot.
What is it now? Eh?
My woman is pregnant.
Your woman is pregnant? That's a good news now. That's cause for celebration now. Eh? Is that why you're having this long face?
I don't know. I wanted to tell her to abort the child.
Eh?
Yes, no.
Abort what? Eh? Are you okay?
No, Dogo, I'm okay. I'm okay. I don't know what to do at this point. Yeah? My father does not want to see her. My father does not like her. My father does not want to accept her because of her family background. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. You know my father now. Yeah?
I think you have a point here. Eh? Your father is not someone one can easily go against. So. And moreover, Seb, it will not be nice for your child to grow up in another man's house. Eh? When you are still alive.
That's the point. Yeah? Tell me, what do I do now? How do I go about this situation? Yeah? Oh, no.
Uzo, my brother, you need to calm down, okay? We will find a lasting solution to this issue, okay? Biko, calm down, my brother.
Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomanu, emwere gono do. Dear when sitting in me, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control.
Please, it's taking too long. What if something happens to our brother? What will we do?
Nothing will happen to him. He's the king of this land.
If father was here, he would have done something.
Uloma, you need to calm down. Ezemo is there. I'm sure he can handle everything.
Ezemo has been there for long and nothing has changed. Nothing.
Then we should talk to Ono.
Ono is the acting king. If anything happens to our brother, who do you think will benefit?
Oh yeah, that's true. I didn't think about that. We can't trust him. We can't trust any other person. God, I'm so confused.
No, I cannot wait again. How can I be here and everybody in the palace are arrested and I'm here doing nothing? Open this place. I need to come inside and I'll be arrested too. Open here. I need to be inside and arrested too. He's my best friend. Come and open this place. Huh? Well, what is wrong with you, this boy? Organ, let me go inside. How can I be here and everybody has been arrested here, including my friend, and I'm not doing anything? Wait, let me go inside. Organ.
If you want to be arrested, huh? Listen, if you want to be arrested, go to the police station and arrest yourself. Stop making noise here. The prince was poisoned. So they are looking for who is behind it.
It's a lie. Jello, I know what you want to do. In fact, if you want to drink all the beer that the prince wants to give to me, tell me. I will share some bottles with you. You drink small and I will drink the rest. Don't.
I said the prince was poisoned. Are you serious? Stop making noise here. You still want to go inside now? Do you still want to go inside?
You know what? I will be, in fact, go and tell the princess I will be here. Let me get the culprit. Tell the princess I don't want to come inside again. I will be here and mount this place. Nobody should open this gate. I will stay here and get the culprit. I am here. Tell the princess. In fact, he may pay back what you now. My prince, how can you poison the prince? The culprit will not pass through this place. He may pay back what he go now.
This is embarrassing. You cannot hold the cabinet of this kingdom captive. It's an insult to our personality.
Princess Adeze, please, tell your guard to open the door for us. We know nothing about what happened to the prince.
When I said nobody steps out of this palace. What? No one goes out and no one comes in.
It's an insult and against human rights to hold us captive for no reason.
Can you listen to the nonsense you just said? How dare you talk about human rights? The future king of this kingdom is almost at the point of death and you sit there to talk about human rights. Are you being serious right now? Unless you have something to do with his illness.
Adeze.
Oh no.
Adeze.
Oh no. Nobody steps out of this compound until we uncover the truth.
Who is behind this? That's on myriad days of we walk. Alusia Bona Wata Nonisia. On their fair.
She's not picking my calls. She's not picking my calls. You call Marachi. Marachi, where are you? Why are you still there? You have to come home. I need my drugs. I need those medicines. I want to take them. Biko natabamwam. Tell your sister I said she should pick her calls. I have a feeling that something bad is about to happen or it has happened.
Rich, you're still here?
Yes. I'm about going now. Please open the gate.
No, you can't go now. The princess has ordered that nobody should leave this palace.
My mother needs to take her drugs. Please, just let me go, please now.
I can't take such risks. I cannot take such risks.
Please, I'm begging you. You know my mother is very sick. She can't stay in that house alone. I just came to collect money from my sister. Please, she needs to take her drugs. Please now.
Does the princess know that you're here?
No, I didn't let anyone see.
Are you sure?
Nobody saw me.
Are you sure?
Yes, nobody saw me.
Osando, what are you doing? Osando, is it because she's a woman? Oh, because she's a woman, you want to let her go? Eh? You are flaunting the orders of the royal palace. I will not shut up. Osando.
What's going on there?
money not to let anybody out of this palace?
My princess, that was exactly what I was telling this Osandro, that the instructions is nobody leaves and nobody comes in.
It seems you are becoming too comfortable in this palace. Don't worry, okay? Just don't worry.
Who is here? Who is here? Who is here? I can sense your presence. Who is this? Who is this? Marachi. Marachi. Hey. Who is here? Oh, let me speak in their cause.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who will save the prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanande ajomadu enwere gonodu. The evil people are taking control. Enemies within. Enemies within. Our kingdom is in shambles.
Wajela ni mo iye gumadelele wajela ni mo iye gumadelele. Ipa ni mo iye gumadelele iye gumegwewa iye gumadelele. Mpako ti mo iye gumadelele iye gumegwewa iye gumadelele. Jewa iye gumadelele. Na wa iye gumadelele delele iye gumadelele. Young lady, do you have anything to say?
Nothing.
Nothing. Then why did you poison the prince? Huh?
Speak up, woman, before the gods strike you down.
Please don't kill me, please. I needed money for my mother's eye surgery, please. I didn't know. I didn't know.
Oh, keep the hell shut! You poisoned the future king of this kingdom, and you have the guts to ask for mercy?
Wait. First of all, can you save the prince from dying now?
No,
can you?
I can't.
Why?
Except the person that sent me.
Speak now. Speak before I strangle you to death. Speak before
Amara! Please help! Please help now! Amarachi!
So what does this mean? Does it mean my brother will die as well?
I don't want anything to happen to you. Not while I'm still alive. You said you saw this in your dream some time ago. You saw this coming. And you said the killer turned out to be a woman. And the woman really poisoned you. I should have believed you. I should have believed you. Adeze warned you about Marachi. Adeze warned you several times, but you wouldn't listen. Because you're in love with her. Now see. How do we get to know who paid Amarachi to poison you? How? I wish the Ezemo can fish out who did this to you. That person will never go unpunished. Wish.
The evil is here. Something is wrong. Who is every prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono duo. Ndiye kwensi jinime, emwere gono duo. The evil people are taking control. Emwere gono duo. Enemies within, emwere gono duo. Enemies within, emwere gono duo. Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this? Who is behind this? Nyamarakwa, na son miria de sufi waka. Alusia bona wata no nisia. On their fiera ya robu emanu. Nobody can curse whom God has blessed. Serakan and Joe.
Osondo. How are you now?
Fine, sir.
You are shining this afternoon, no?
I am with a god, though.
Hey. Osondo, do you mind letting me in? I want to see the princess. I'm sure they are done with the ceremony.
That one not possible, though. The princess does not want to see anyone for now.
But Osondo, is there any problem?
A very big one. In fact, there is a giant problem in the palace. The prince, my best friend, was poisoned and everybody has been arrested and taken to the police station.
Are you sure of what you are saying?
If I am not serious, why do you think I will be here under the sun? And I'm Anyang.
You mean everybody has been arrested, including the Onowu?
Onowu was the first, in fact, Onowu was the first person they dragged out of the palace. Drag it to the station. If Onowu, in fact, if other people are behind the counter, Onowu is inside the cell.
This is very serious. So.
You know what? You are a very good man, very gentle, and let me open the gate. In fact, let's break the gate. Let's push the car. Let me push the motor for you. Don't worry. Let me push it. You don't want to go inside?
No, I don't want to go inside.
Come and see the princess.
Don't worry, I will come back.
Also, can I go? Make sure you don't kill yourself while you are running away from the police. We are Osondo. Osondo. I will be here. Nobody will come inside and nobody will leave. How about you here?
Uzo!
My brother, there is a very big problem.
I know now. I know. I've been calling her. She's not taking my calls.
What are you talking about? That is not the main problem here.
So what's the problem?
Your father has been arrested.
It's a lie. I don't understand.
Why will I joke?
Nobody can arrest my father. Nobody has the right to arrest my father. My father is the Onowu of this great kingdom. The first in command before they will now crown that a slave prince, the king. He's the first in command.
Uzo, forget all this one you are saying. As I speak to you right now, your father is being detained at the palace. He is accused of poisoning the prince.
It's a lie now. What are you saying?
My brother, I'm not lying, no.
My father.
There is a shadow lurking around this palace.
Which shadow are you talking about, is it? Huh? Who is the person behind all this?
The palace needs to be cleansed before we can see the face behind this evil act against the crown prince.
Well, are you saying our palace is haunted or clouded? Your words are confusing.
The language of the spirit is deeper than the language of the living.
She hasn't seen anything yet. Now who is crying? Who is begging? And who is on her knees?
That's the thing that annoys me the most. She thinks that she's one of the real ones. But doesn't she's anticipated like us?
No, she thinks that she's one of the late king's children. To even think that her sister Marachi has the mind to poison the prince.
Those people pretending to be nice, sweet and whatever. They are the most dangerous people ever.
Hey, this is not good. This is very, very bad. Let us not judge, so we will not be judged. It could have been me or you, like any of us.
My sister, she has nothing to say, please.
Are you saying that Marachi is dead? But why would she want to kill the prince? Why?
See, let me tell you. Amarachi was arrested, but she refused to leave when I asked her to leave. So you should be thanking me.
Huh? So you mean that if I had been inside, they would have arrested me and maybe accused me of killing the prince?
Of course, yes. I want her, but she insisted. Huh? Now look at her fate.
Yeah. Osondo, your statement is no longer going like this. Your statement is doing like this. Are you by any means suggesting that Marachi was accused and she was not guilty? Are you saying that they say she did it while she did not? Huh?
Look, Chibani Teresa, I don't know what you're talking about. All I'm saying is that Marachi that I know can never do a thing like that.
Yes. That is why you always allow her to go inside and you ask me. Now you are saying that the native doctor, in fact, our chief priest is a liar. That is. If my prince has come, he said that the chief priest killed the prince. Isn't that what you said?
I never say something.
No, you said that the chief priest.
Stop shouting.
You said the chief priest killed the prince. You said it was not Marachi that it was the chief priest. I want to tell you, everybody come and hear. This Osondo said the chief priest killed Come back. Hear what I'm saying now. Everybody listen to me. Osondo said the chief priest killed the prince. Come and say it. In fact, I will go. Where will I stand? Who will I tell? Everybody should know. They should know that it is what you said. That it was not Malachi and it was the chief priest. I will be here. I will tell it. Bia, Naibia.
Who is here? Open this gate! You don't want to open the gate? I'll break down this gate. Open this gate! Open the gate! I'll pull down this gate! Open this gate!
Young man, what is wrong?
Open this gate!
What is it?
Please let my father go! Release my father now! Princess!
Okay, I just want you to know that your father is being held concerning the poisoning of my brother Ukadike. And until we find out the truth, your father cannot leave the palace.
I don't understand, Princess. You and I know that my father does not have anything to do with whatever is going on in the palace. Let my father go. You have no right to keep my father there.
You don't seem to understand what is going on. Uso, or whatever you were called. Nobody is leaving or entering this palace until we find out how and why my brother was poisoned.
Princess, you don't know what you're doing. My father is your Nogu of this kingdom. Please, let him go. You have no right to keep my father in the palace. Please.
I will implore you to go home. Your father is not leaving this place until justice is served.
I don't understand. You will implore who to go home.
Make sure you do this properly. And no one should come.
Open this gate! Open this gate! You're welcome. Open this gate. I'll break down this gate.
I'm sorry, Mr. Oza, I cannot.
Allah, I'm sorry for walking here. Open this gate also. What can Pepe get that? You don't know me, Abi? Pepe get that.
I'm sorry, Mr. Uzo, you can go home. The princess order is clear.
Allah, I'm sorry for walking here. Open this gate also. What can Pepe get that?
Prince. You don't need to know who I am. And don't forget, I have the power to make your suffering end. And I also have the power to make it worse. Hold on. Open your mouth. Open it. Listen. I was never here. Remember, don't forget that.
Adeze, please. Nkechi has suffered enough with the loss of her sister. Let's put humanity into consideration while in the pursuit for justice. Please, Adeze.
Can you listen to yourself, woman? Look, can you just hear yourself talk? I won't take chances. My brother's life is right there hanging and you're asking me to calm down and... What are you saying? If Nkechi is responsible for the poisoning of Prince Ukadike, I will extract that information by any means necessary.
But she has proved her innocence from the beginning. Yeah, right. We don't even have any tangible evidence to prove otherwise. We don't.
Hold on, I understand you. I understand your points. I know I get what you're trying to say. But when it comes to my brother's life, I will do anything. Even if it means sacrificing this whole kingdom, I will do it.
I understand your determination. I understand you perfectly. But please remember you are the Adeze of this kingdom. Whatever you do, if you try to torture her, it will increase the animosity of the people. Please.
I'm not promising you anything. But I need you to remember that my duty as a sister comes first, no matter the cost. And not one more word. Ensure that no one leaves or enters this palace without proper authorization. We can't afford any breach in security at this moment, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hey, hold it right there! Who are you? And now I want you to go out there. Go to Ekumma and the town crier and tell them the situation in the palace. I don't want this wrong information going around the kingdom. Okay?
But my princess, something doesn't seem right about him.
You mean you don't know him?
Yes, sir.
And you go after him! Quickly!
Yes. I can't find him.
What do you mean you can't find him? He just left here.
I really saw this. He might use this to disguise.
How did he get this?
I don't know. Maybe he might have collected it from one of our guards.
Summon the guards. Every one of them.
Alright, my
Immediately.
princess. Alright, my princess.
Now, Kedu,
Young man, who are you and what do you want from me? What exactly do you want from me?
if I were to be you, I would have started with greeting. You should have said, greetings. At least you greet me. But first, since you want to know me, you want introduction. My name is China Bonites of this kingdom. Do you understand? Do you know what that means? You will not know. Even as a king in this village or anywhere, you can only reign only if the gods wake you up. Yes.
I ask again, how may I help you?
I told you my name, you did not greet me. So you have to help me. China Bonites one. Then, I will answer you.
Ezoku. I don't have time for all this. I'm in a haste.
Come, Bia, come. Bia, Naya, I want to tell you what. You don't even know who you just walked out on. The best friend to the prince of this kingdom. You are privileged to have had a word with me. Ikuo Gunsagia is an honor. Huh? I don't even know what is wrong with. I don't know what is wrong with people these days. They will see somebody ordinary to greet. They will not. One day you will come back.
Ukadike, you're awake. Thank goodness.
What's going on?
You're awake now and that's all that matters. That's all that matters.
What happened?
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo. By the power vested on me, as you know of this kingdom, I hereby crown you.
My priest! My priest! My priest! My priest!
What is the meaning of this?
What's going on here? What is going on here? Can someone say something?
What is the meaning of this?
I still don't understand what you're saying.
Ukadike, Marachi poisoned you. And
that's impossible. Marachi cannot poison me. We love each other so much she will never do a thing to harm me.
look, I know it's difficult to accept, but she confessed herself.
No. I'll not believe a word you just said until she says it to my face. Bring her to me now.
Ukadike.
Yes.
Marachi, she's gone. She's gone.
Gone? What do you mean gone? Go to her house and bring her to me right now. Right away.
She confessed to poisoning you. And she passed away.
No, that's not possible. Marachi will never do anything to harm me. Why? No, ma, why? Why?
Papa, I don't understand. What audacity? Yeah? What's giving these people mind? What audacity? Who gave these people mind to arrest the elders of the land? Including you, do you know who of this great kingdom?
My son.
And I told you.
There is no point bottling up venom. What has happened has happened.
Mbano, Papa, what has happened has not happened. What are you saying? This is what you will be saying now. They will continue doing this thing to you people. Yeah? The elders of the land have to stand up to their feet and make decision. Deal with this once and for all before things start getting out of hand.
Calm down. It is not the day a child breaks the jar of oil that is being punished. Patience.
Patience.
Relax.
Patience. Also, patience also. But I've said my own. Oh. I've said my own. Wait, Papa, did they beat you? Don't you know? Did they beat you?
Say me, I'm the know-who of this kingdom now. Don't you know your father here?
You're my uncle, now. I want fence by that palace, and I will deal with whosoever that did this to you. Let me get you water.
How come the prince suddenly became well again? Who is the stranger that healed him?
Who is here? I might be blind, but I can feel you. Who is here? Who are you?
Mama, it's me, Uchenna.
Hey! Uche! Nam!
Mama,
Nam!
how you doing, Mama?
What are you doing here?
Mama, I came on an errand.
An errand?
Yes, Mama.
In this community, and you know you're not safe here.
Mama, I will be leaving very soon. I will make sure that nobody sees me here. Mama.
I've been calling your two sisters. They're not picking my calls.
Mama.
Both of them are the palace.
Mama, they will pick very soon. The prince has been poisoned and everybody in the palace there is being interrogated. They will pick.
How did you know? Did you go to the palace?
Mama, yes, I went. But I make sure that nobody recognizes me there. I'll be leaving now, Mama.
Be safe, because...
Mama, are you fine?
I'm fine.
Are you sure?
I'm fine.
Will you give me a hug?
I'm fine. Nam. Oh, be safe, oh.
Eke, Ori, Afo, Nkwo, with the power vested on me as your noble of this great kingdom, I hereby crown you. Stop! Where's the more?
This cannot happen in our land.
I don't understand this. Why?
Ezemo, speak to us. What is the problem?
He cannot be crowned.
What? Ezemo, why? What are you talking about? Why can't I be crowned?
I regret to inform you that you cannot have a child of your own. You have become impotent as a result of your intimacy with an enemy.
This is unbelievable. What do you mean I cannot have a child? What are you saying?
Talking about the girl that poisoned you, the consequences are there and irreversible. The spirit have revealed the truth to me, but it's not in my place to divulge further. The consequences of your action, my prince, are beyond human understanding. An impotent man cannot be our king.
No, stop him, Call him back. Call him back, let's talk about this. Let's know what's going on. Call him back. Oh no. Ezemo. Ezemo.
Are you going out?
Yes, I am. I'm going to see a doctor, a medical doctor. I can't just listen to what the chief priest said and fold my arms. I can't give up just now.
But you look weak from your ordeal. Why not relax? Let me call the medical doctor to come take care of you here.
No, Uloma. I need to get to the bottom of this right now.
Are you okay? Are you sure you're okay?
I think you're right. I'm not supposed to go out in the state. Please call the doctor to come around now.
Go relax. Just relax. I'll call him to come take care of you in your chambers, okay? Just relax, okay?
Your Highness, your test results are out. Yes, but I'm afraid I have some troubling news to share.
Troubling news? Alright. Go ahead and tell me.
You see, Your Highness, medically, there's nothing wrong with you. You're fine. You're okay. But after our findings, we discovered that your reproductive system has stopped functioning.
And how is that even possible? I just underwent a fertility test not long ago, and everything was fine. So what happened?
Your Highness, I understand your confusion. Yes. But, I mean, I did the test myself. That's what I want you to understand. What I don't understand is the changes in the system. Like something has caused your reproductive system to shut down.
Doctor, that's not possible. Why would that happen?
Your Highness, I'm afraid I have no answer to that question. This is a medical mystery that defies explanation. Yes. I have to take my leave. Who is there?
Mama, it's me, Nkechi. Nkechi? Mama, what is Nkechi? What happened? Why you sound so distressed? What is it? It's Amarachi. Amarachi. What happened to her? What? Talk. Why are you crying? Talk. She's dead, though. Mama, Amarachi is dead.
How? How do you mean Amarachi is dead? How? I don't understand how.
She confessed of poisoning Rizukadike and then she jacked and died. Mama, Amarachi is dead.
I don't understand. Amarachi Nkem?
Yes,
Amarachi Nkem is dead.
He's dead, Mama.
Hey! Amarachi Ngwam is dead.
Yes, Mama.
Amarachi Ngwam is dead. How?
Oh, no.
Hey!
Mama. Mama. Mama.
Amarachi is not a killer!
Mama, easy, Biko. Mama, it's okay. Mama.
How dare he? I really don't understand the Ono. Why would he use your health issues as a measure to, to turn this whole situation all around? Why?
Adeze, we must consider the consequences of defying the no. If we refuse to comply, we risk losing everything. Our family's legacy, the kingdom itself. It's too much a risk to take. Trust me.
Brother, this is not fair. You have waited for this all your life. Why would they want me to take it away from you?
You are not taking it away from me. Instead, you are keeping it for the family.
Oh.
Look at it that way.
I didn't bargain for this. I have my own life to live. I mean, this whole thing is just...
I know, Adeze. I share in your anger and frustration. But sometimes in life we must make sacrifices for greater good. If we refuse to comply with the no, the consequences might be too grave for us all. It's either you or do you know? And I'm sure you don't want that to happen.
Well, no, I don't want that to happen. But there is no way I will allow the Ono usurp the rightful place of this family for that throne without giving it a fight.
That's why I'm asking you to do this. Take over the throne. Please.
Okay. I'll do it, but for the sake of the family.
Thank you so much, my darling sister. You'll make a great queen on the throne. I will inform the cabinet members immediately. Thank you.
Uzo,
Papa.
marrying Princess Adaeze is a strategic move that will secure the future and the benefits of this family. It will ensure and also ensure the stability of this family in this kingdom.
Papa, possible. It's not possible now. Yeah, I cannot marry Princess Adaeze. But you know, I already have a girlfriend and she's pregnant with my child. Yeah, you know that now. How do you want me to abandon them now? It's not possible now. But not possible.
You have to set aside your personal feelings. Yes, for this purpose. Because as the future king of this kingdom, you have a responsibility to ensure our prosperity and stability in this kingdom.
No, Papa, no. Ngozi is a wonderful girl, all right? She's been there for me. Ngozi is a good girl, so I cannot betray her by marrying another woman. It's not possible. I cannot betray my woman by marrying Princess Adaeze. It goes where it possible. Don't go there, please.
How can you sacrifice the kingship of this land for a mere romance?
I can't go kingship. I'm going to my hands.
Uzo, think of the power and benefits that come from being the king of this land.
No, why was I on a kingship, no, brother? Stop that.
You will have the opportunity to shape the destiny of our people to your benefit and leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. This is worth more than mere romance. And listen, son, if you fail to do this, you will cease to be my son.
Mama, Nkechi, I have come to offer my deepest condolences over the passing of Marachi. Inasmuch as she had bad intentions towards the prince, I still feel bad for her passing. I am really, really sorry.
Thank you, Princess Uloma. We appreciate your concern for our family.
Marachi Nwam, her loss is devastating. How can I bear it?
How? My condolences, Mama. I am really, really sorry for your loss. Okay, I'm sorry. Thank you. Mama, I have to leave now. Okay? Take care of her, okay?
Okay, yeah, bye-bye. Bye. Thank you.
Nkechi.
Mama.
This lady, Princess Onoma, has the same sense like the lady that came to visit Marachi on the day of the coronation, though her voice is different.
The same sense? Mama, I mean, the princess and her sister has the same sense. But nothing could ever bring them to this house.
I am sure of what I am saying. I am sure, very sure. Though I asked Marachi who the person was, she didn't say anything as if she was hiding it. Now I recall, the voice is different, but the same sense.
If the voice is different, that means it's Princess Adaeze. She wears the same perfume with her sister. But Mama, why did she visit Marachi?
I don't know. I don't know.
I wish I can find out a reason behind the visit. Yes, because she has always been a green snake in a green grass.
Marachi.
Chiponite, my good friend. My prince. You always seem to make so much sense, even in your states of drunkenness.
My prince, you are the only person that sees me as drunk. Wisdom runs.
Can you see my vein?
Wisdom runs in my vein like wine. What do you want me to do for you, my prince?
I need your help. This is a serious matter that needs your unique skills.
Say no more, my prince. Just tell me what you want me to do and I will do it. Say.
I need you to help me find a young man. It's dark, very hairy, not too tall, and not so short. The last time I saw him, he was wearing a guard's uniform, but I think no more. I know he's not ordinary.
My prince, you don't have to be afraid. Fear not. You see this very young man, I will search for him. I'll find him for you discreetly and oh, sorry. Sorry, I mean swiftly. In fact, my prince, let me go and find him.
May the gods guide you.
Let me go, my prince.
I think I'd like to get you something.
Uncle? No, I don't. Get with uncle, my prince. No, uncle. This is the best thing you have said. I want to find you something. I'm a no, uncle. Get with you.
I'll be right back.
My prince, my prince. Huh? Okay, look one mgbe ihe eji ofu moto nke anyị buru moto amụ na na abụ na akụkwọrị n'obodo ịma na ọ ya adụkwanụ mma ezigbo mmadụ.
The devil is how we are praising you in Africa. Ekwensu na akụrụ ga-egwu in Aba. The devil is how we are praising you in Africa. Ekwensu na akụrụ ga-egwu in Aba. This crown is mine, mine forever. Oh. Nobody go take it away from me.
Adizi, did I interrupt anything?
Nothing at all. Nothing to worry about.
I couldn't help but notice you've been acting strange lately. What is the matter?
It's nothing really so big. Just some affairs concerning the coronation.
We're in this together. If there is anything, you can confide in me. I am your sister.
I have a little concern. Do you think I'm capable of taking that space? I mean, I have this fear. I just feel I can't lead the people right. I don't think I should be queen. And I have another concern. I think I know. I have found the man I want to marry.
Adizi, You have everything it takes to be a queen. You have the wisdom, the strength, the knowledge. You have everything a queen needs. And if you found the one you love, love and companionship is very important in a ruler's life. I know you can do this. You have everything it takes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you very, very much. I'm grateful.
Ukechi, I am sincerely sorry for not coming to tender my condolence. Morachi's passing away has left me troubled, deeply troubled. But unfortunately, her actions has made it impossible for you to step foot in this palace again.
I came for an important information, my prince. If you will listen to me.
Information? Do you know who sent your sister to kill me?
My prince, there is something you must know. Your stepsister, Princess Adaeze, may not be as trustworthy as she appears. I fear she may be involved in the events that lead to your predicament.
Adaeze, what are you implying? Adaeze is my sister. There is no way, no freaking way she will betray me like that.
My prince, I only speak from what I have observed. I implore you to be cautious and not let your guard down around her. I think she sent my sister too.
Enough! I will not have you make baseless accusations against my family.
As you wish, my prince. I urge you to tread carefully. Your well-being and justice for my sister is my foremost concern.
Well, thank you very much for your concern. One thing I want to let you know is never you speak ill about my sister again, here or wherever. Is that clear? Now you may leave.
The devil is always praising you in Africa. The devil is always praising you in Africa. This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. The devil is always praising.
Good thing you were here. I was actually waiting for you so I could do a proper introduction. So this is Uzo, you know whose son. I have chosen him to be my husband. Yes. I will marry him and together we will serve this kingdom in honor and true dedication and produce an heir to the throne.
Adaeze, I'd like to have a word with you in private.
Now?
Of course, yes. Now!
Promise mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. The devil is always praising you in Africa. The devil
Yes, you said you wanted to see me.
Adeze, have you lost your senses? Have you lost it? How could you agree to marry Uzo, knowing full well the animosity between our families?
Oh, well, I decided to marry him for the good of this kingdom. Uzo and I can bring peace and unity to our kingdom. Why are you shouting?
I will never, read my lips, never support this union. Marrying him will give Ono full access to this palace.
Oh, please. I made a decision to marry that young man. I have seen his father already and I've made my intentions known to him. There is absolutely nothing you will do about it.
I am still the prince of this kingdom. Don't start this war.
Did I hear you say war? An impotent man talks about war? Listen, I will marry Uzo whether you like it or not, and there is absolutely nothing I see again you will do about it.
That is why would you say it like that?
I would say anything I want to say. You are an impotent man. You do not have the right to rule over the affairs of this kingdom. If you don't mind, excuse me. I have preparations to do concerning my wedding. I hope that sinks.
All of a sudden, you have done evil.
Kadike, what's wrong?
You cannot.
Why did you speak to Kadike in such a harsh manner?
Please, Loma, can you spare me this naivety of yours? Kadike is nothing more than a powerless figurehead. He is impotent both physically and politically. He has no right to start taking decisions on anything I want to do.
Adeze, what? How can you speak about our brother like that? Yes, he may be going through difficulties, but he's still our family.
Family? Did I hear you say family? Kadike is no longer fit in the affairs of this community. Yes, he's a disgrace to the royal family. If he cannot stand my decision, the best thing for him to do is leave the palace. Go somewhere. Get a life somewhere else. And come to think of it, I suggest you do the same. You're not getting any younger. Go out there and get yourself a husband and leave the palace. You're not supposed to be here.
How can you talk to me in such a manner? I thought we're sisters.
What sisters? But there you heard me right. Sisters. Don't give me that look, please. Shh.
Mother, we cannot sit idly. Why the one who sent Amarachi to poison the prince goes unpunished? We must find out the truth and ensure that justice is served.
Kitchen sit. Sit. Nkechi, Biko no. We will not do anything. We must be cautious. To seek revenge is to invite danger into our lives. Let us leave the gods to judge this matter. I am sure they will not disappoint us.
But Mama, the gods have already shown their judgment. Through the suffering of the prince, it is our duty to seek out the truth and ensure that guilty party faces the consequences of their actions.
Nkechi, if you want me to live long, Biko, don't do anything. They have taken Marachi from me. I cannot sit and allow them to take you too. How do I live? How will I survive? Let the gods judge this matter, Biko Mama. Biko.
It's okay, Mama. It's okay. I will not do anything, okay? It's okay. Have you eaten anything? Why now?
I cannot eat. I don't have appetite.
Mama, you will eat. Wait, let me get something. Okay, I'm coming.
Father, the prince is proving stubborn. Yeah? Do you think he would allow me to marry the princess?
He will, those on my son. The time is upon us. Soon, the throne of Umuomako kingdom will be rightfully ours, as it should have been all along.
Here's your point there. You know, the prince's importance has paved way for my ascension. So, Papa, it's a matter of time, and the people of this great kingdom will come to understand our decision and succumb to it.
Yes, my son. The prince's weakness has made him nothing but a pawn in our game. And with Princess as the days he said to marry you. Soon, the kingdom will be within our grasp.
Hey! Again there! Again there! Papa, you know you're a very wise man. Eh? And I am doing everything possible to take after you. You're a very wise man. So you've been in the shadow all this while. Now I know the reason you don't want me to marry Ngozi. Because our time has come. So I will definitely rule this kingdom with power and might.
My son, to our eminent victory, may the God smile upon us as we take our place in the rulership of this.
Again, again, this man, this your white hair is not for nothing, you know.
Long may you reign, my king.
Say it again, Papa.
Long may you reign, my king.
Say it again, Papa. Say it again, Papa.
My son, long may you reign, my king.
You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Did you speak to Odessa?
Yes, I did. Her sudden change of attitude pisses me off.
Why will she use my predicament to mock me? Is it my fault that I'm impotent?
I never thought she would be like this towards us. She has no concern for us. I am not even happy about her marriage to Nobu's son. Will you allow it?
Yes, come in.
My prince, Ono is here to see you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for honoring this invitation. I've been trying to reach you, but you've not been taking my calls. I don't know why. What happened?
Zonaya, what do you possibly want from me?
Hey, for you to ask me this question, it seems you're still angry. But look, I am so sorry about the other time. Alright? How about our baby?
Our baby.
Yes.
The same baby you asked me to terminate. So why are you asking?
Did you terminate it? No, did you abort the baby? Tell me you didn't do it. Alright? Because I want the baby now, please. Tell me you didn't do it. Mariana, is he still in there?
Also, the same child you asked me to terminate. You now want the baby, right?
I want it now. Just tell me you didn't. Tell me you didn't terminate it. Yeah? Go.
Well, I didn't.
I know. You're a very nice person. I know you will never terminate our baby. Are you serious? The baby is still kicking?
So now, when are you coming to see my parents? Because very soon my belly will start popping out.
Oh no, yeah. Look, I'm getting married very soon, but with a princess.
I like the flatter, but I'm not a princess.
I know it will be difficult for you to understand, but I am getting married with Princess Adeze. Look, I'm not leaving you behind, alright? Once I marry Princess Adeze and become the king of this kingdom, I'll marry you as a second wife. Alright, that's my plan. Alright, I'm not gonna leave you behind. Okay?
What are you even talking about?
I'm saying that once I marry Princess Adeze, I'll become the king of this community. I will marry you, you'll become my queen, and our child, the prince. All I need now is time, alright? Just buy me some little more time, please. Please.
Ngozi. Don't see Shiggy. What's on my? You know, I'm a fool to actually think you've changed. Uzonaya, I thought you really loved me.
Look, you're the one I love.
Thought you really loved me so much.
I love you.
But it's obvious you're still the same heartless man that I loved. Just get out of my way.
I'm not. It's not my fault. Actually, I'm not my fault. And I thought to her.
Today, my prince.
Hello. To what do I owe this visit?
I came so we can talk about the marriage between Uzo and Princess Adeze. You know, we have to act fast.
I have made a decision. Uloma is expecting a child, and I've designated that child to be the heir to the throne.
But my Prince Ukadike, this is unprecedented. How about Princess Adeze?
Uloma is a child. I have made my choice.
This is preposterous. No, listen to Ukadike. I am the first daughter of this kingdom. You will accord me some respect and not try to claim my throne.
Adeze, I understand your frustration, but the decision has been made. It's not about who's first. It's about who I've chosen to stay back and give me an heir. And I have chosen Uloma.
Ukadike, you will regret this. You will regret every bit of your action.
Are you telling me you've had eyes on the throne all this while?
I didn't make you impotent, remember? Deal with it.
We shall see about that.
Oh, we shall see nothing.
Guys.
Oh, please.
The devil is all we are praising you in Africa. The devil is all we are praising you in Africa. This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. This crown is mine, mine.
Ukadike, please tell me I didn't hear what you just said out there.
Hold on. I do not want us to jump into any decision. We need time. If Adeze is truly against us, we need some time to investigate her and gather evidences against her.
Kadike, you know we can't keep deceiving the Onowu. Pretending that I am pregnant when you know I am not. It will only cause further complications.
Uloma, I understand. But we're running out of options. We need to buy some time, at least to investigate her thoroughly and get evidences against her.
And how do you intend to do that?
We will announce your pregnancy to the entire village. By so doing, we'll buy ourselves enough time to investigate her and gather evidences against her discreetly.
Very well then. I'll do as you've said. But we need to act very fast. Before the people grow suspicious, they will not tolerate a lying princess.
I know. Thank you very much for doing this. We're doing this for the sake of the people. I'd rather hand over the throne to you than let her hand it over to Onowu's family.
Don't work it because of the throne. What Makana chiabani nejiniko bubu kimanka imankaza. You cannot fight the ghost, my princess.
Who is that for?
For Princess Sulama, my princess.
I'm not done. Put it down there, go to my room and get my other phone from the dresser.
I'm sorry, my princess. Princess Sulama said I should.
Can you keep your mouth shut and do exactly what I asked you to do? Wait a minute, what are you trying to do? Disobey me because of my younger sister? Are you sick in the head?
No, it's just that she said I should bring her.
Have you gone bonkers? Drop it there and go get my phone. Oh, get out! Get away, palace poppy. Too many asks for just one person.
Cannot fight the ghost, my princess.
Here is for my princess.
Stand there. Is that a frown I see on your face? Smile. I said smile. Better. Run along. And smile while you are running along. Keep smiling. And I didn't ask. Drop it. Move. Keep smiling. Good. I said smile. Yeah, come. Oh, let's take this thing away from here.
The devil is on, we are praising you in Africa. The devil is on, we are praising you in Africa. This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. This crown is mine, mine forever. Nobody go take it away from me. The devil is on.
Listen, please, sorry.
What's going on? Have you lost your mind?
I'm sorry, my princess. Please don't drink it.
Why? Can you you talk? Open your mouth and talk. Can't you talk?
My princess.
Yes, what is it?
My princess Uloma.
Princess Uloma did what? Is she okay?
Yes, my princess, she is okay. She demands your presence, my princess.
Wait a minute. You said Princess Uloma demands my presence. Has she forgotten her position in this palace? She doesn't remember who is superior to her anymore?
Apologies, my princess. But she is now the future queen of this kingdom and is superior to you now.
Wow. This is an information I am just I'm getting to know. I would love you to repeat exactly what you just said, because I don't think I heard you clearly. You said Princess Uloma is what?
The queen.
Stop! Talking and you are still repeating it. Are you mad? Are you sick in the head? Get yourself out of this place. I do not want to get upset this afternoon. Get out.
Sorry, my princess, but she insisted I must come with you.
She insisted you must come with me.
Yes, my princess.
Okay. Wait for me. Okay. I said leave this place! Demands my bread. You should actually listen to me. What nonsense is this? How dare you, Uloma? I heard you someone who has what? You don't have any respect whatsoever. How dare you?
Adeze, I summoned you for a reason, and you should address me with the respect due to me. I am carrying an heir to the throne.
What? That you would keep that thing you call a mouth shut. What do you mean you're carrying an heir to the throne? Now let me make this clear to you. The fact that you have that thing in your tummy doesn't make you a true queen. I am still the Adeze of this kingdom, the first daughter.
Adeze, true power does not come from birthright alone. Anyways, I am not here to banter words with you. Sip from this drink. I heard it was in a custody before it got to me. I am carrying an heir to the throne, so I have to be very careful. Please, sip. Considering what happened to our brother, I have to be very careful.
Are you satisfied now?
Your presence is no longer needed here. You may leave. Thank you.
You know what? I'm in a good mood, so I will let this slide. But you will not try this nonsense again.
Thank you.
Adeze, take the other liquid substance that I gave to you. It will neutralize the poison immediately. Okay.
Whose parents? Your parents? What about my mother? She lost her womb after many miscarriages, trying to conceive an heir to the throne. How did your father pay her back? By marrying another woman, your mother.
Immediately your mother came into the picture and you came along, my mother and I became nothing to the king and to the people. He adored your mother more because she gave birth to a boy. Do you know how my mother died? She committed suicide and the king covered it and forced me into this fatherless love with you and your sister.
Uchenna,
Mama.
you still have not told me what you are doing here.
Mama, there's something I need to understand. What exactly happened? What did you say happened to Marachi?
Marachi, Mom. Marachi.
What?
Killed my daughter.
Marachi confessed of poisoning the prince, and then she jacked and died.
But I healed the prince, Mama. I shouldn't have left there immediately. What is going on?
Supposing it's you they wanted dead, can you talk at me?
Why would they want him, Mama? Why would they want Uchenna then? Uchenna, how did you heal him?
You will not understand.
Understand what, Mama? What are you even talking about? Understand what? Mama, listen. I need to do something about this. I can't just fold my hand and watch them go scot-free after killing my own sister.
Uchenna, what if you get me? Uchenna, you will do nothing.
Brother, there is nothing you can possibly do.
Jesus Christ.
Except finding the person that promised Amarachi money for Mama's surgery to poison the prince.
Are you for real?
Uchenna, you will not do anything except you want me there though. Uchenna, Marachi.
No. It's high time I picked a date for my sister's coronation as the queen of this great kingdom.
Shouldn't we wait until your sister puts to bed? How are you even sure she's pregnant with a male child? If I may advise, Adeze should marry my son and become queen.
Oh no, you should relinquish your claims on the throne and respect the succession of the royal family.
And who are you to take such decision, Prince Okadike? Did your father ever tell you whose lineage once held the kingdom of Umuomako? It was never your family.
My father never told me that. And even if it was, time has changed. The throne belongs to me and my sister, who carries the heir to the throne, and not to those who are trying to steal it with deceit and treachery.
Deceit and treachery, you said. Do you know how your family acquired that throne? What makes you think you and your sister deserve it more than I do? Have you ever asked yourself why your father never proclaimed you heir to the throne before he died?
My father died at my tender age, but I believe the future of this kingdom must be guided with unity and peace, and not strife and division. I will never allow that. My sister must be coronated as the queen of this kingdom the next Afo market day. I have spoken, and so it shall be. Have a good day.
My princess, there's a lady at the gate. She says she wants to see you.
Who is she?
I don't know her. I've not seen her before.
Okay. Let her in.
All right, my princess.
Good day, my princess. Yes, good day. Who are you? My name is Ngozi Unobuchi and I'm from this village.
Okay. How may I help you?
My princess, I'm here to tell you that Ozonnaya, your supposed fiancé, is my boyfriend. I want you to please withdraw the proposal of getting married to him because I'm pregnant for him.
Come close. Here. Kneel down. Are you going to disobey the princess of this land? I said on your knees. Now listen to me and listen good. The next time you utter such nonsense in my presence, Ozonnaya will be the least of your problems.
My princess,
Shut. Get out. Get your filthy self from here. Get away. You... Osondu! Osondu! Take this gutter-infested animal out of here. Such effrontery. Wow.
So, Mama, how you doing today?
Fine.
Have you taken your medication? Why, Mama?
Why is he well, Papa?
Mama, who is that man?
He's a village drunk.
Village drunkard? Does he come to this side of the village?
I don't know. I don't know.
Mama, please. I don't want to see him. I'll be inside.
Why are these
Yeah.
Why is everyone?
Yeah.
Why is why?
Onyangoloma. Ongo kai kai. Onyala no long way.
You'll be provoking as if you are having personal and spiritual problem with somebody. I just Matugaka.
Mepi
Ayaka so.
Onyala. Onyangoloma. Onuku. Walking about causing problem in this village.
It's only you in this village that thinks I'm drunk. If I can the walk,
What is it?
where is your son? I'm sure your son brought some goodies, enough goody for me.
First and foremost, which son are we talking about? Which son?
How many sons do you have? Are you trying to tell me that you've not seen your son in this village?
Is there any son in this house? Is there any son in this house?
No!
Nnai?
No!
Nnai ka ị na-akpọ onye ala. Nnai nke idebe n'ime ụlọ. That is the one you are calling. Stupid boy. You will not ngwa. You are overstayed your welcome. Ngwa, Una? Imagine me like Papa ya na. Una? Are
you saying
that
you've not seen your son? Stay. Wait, let me go. Buchenna kodobo ife na akama
onye ala mkpume elukwa n'ụlọ mụọ ebe mmanya kpaghalịba onuku ị na-abịa ịjụ maka Uchenna ọ ga-enwe ụlụ ya gwa m na ọ ga-enwere Uchenna debe ebe a stupid boy stupid idiot onuku.
Mama, how does that frustrated drunkard knows his name? How does he know who I am?
That one. He behaves like a spirit. That's why everybody in this village is afraid of him.
Then, Mama, let him mind his business.
Don't think about that. We ain't getting it.
My prince.
Why you not opening the gate?
My prince, I was about calling you, sir.
Why? What happened?
This Princess Olama. She suddenly started vomiting blood. I was rushed to the hospital.
Where's my sister? Where is she?
I think it's St. Patrick Hospital.
Odogo, I thought you've traveled. What are you doing here now?
My brother, I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Adeze has left me for another man. Just like that.
Who? Who? Left you for who?
I don't know now. She just told me she's no more interested in the relationship. Unprovoked too.
My brother, I don't know, but you have to let it go. Yeah? You're a man now, stand your ground. Okay, do you want me to tell you to go and start begging her? You cannot go and beg her now. Who is Adeze? Move on with your life. Move on with your... What do you want me to tell you? Stop, don't they fall in love. They fall in love now. Girls of nowadays. You want to fall in love with girls of nowadays. Don't go there.
Just imagine what you're saying, Uzo. You know how much I love this girl. You know how much I love Adeze and you're telling me to move on.
My brother, if I should advise you, I'll tell you to move on. Stand your ground. All you need now is a woman who will love you back, respect you, massage your ego. A woman who will respect you. Cherish your love and love you in return. All you need now is a woman who will love you back. A woman who you can inculcate the things you do into. Now love these days have one-sided love. Your woman have to love you for you to last on earth. If Baba, if you finally end up marrying a woman who does not love you,
Adeze loves me. Adeze loves me, but I'm sure there is someone that is deceiving that girl. I am very sure about that.
I don't know.
She loves you.
Yes, she loves me.
I don't. Okay. In that case, I don't know who is deceiving her.
I just want to know who's that guy. Eh? Is he not a man like me? What does he have that I don't have? Eh? Soft guy like me. I'm not happy. I'm not happy. Seriously. I will go now. I think I have to leave now. I will come back in the evening.
My brother, you don't need to come back because I think I'll be traveling tomorrow morning, and my coming back I don't even know when I'm coming back to this village. And my coming back he go long my brother. Go long. Keep my business again now. No, you have to come on.
Something is wrong. Who is the prince? Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. Ndiye kwensi jinime, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control. Enemies winning, emwere gono do. Enemies winning, emwere gono do. Our kingdom is in shambles.
Are you okay? It's alright. Okay? Everything's going to be fine. I promise you I'll do everything in my powers to make sure you get well soon. Alright? Are you okay? Huh? You don't need to say anything. I understand. Alright? We're in this together. We'll fight this as a family. Alright? I'll just hang in there so I'll go get you water, okay? I'll be right back.
I know you, Emeka. It's me, Nkechi.
Nkechi, what are you doing here?
I should be asking you that, even though I already know the answer.
You're not supposed to be here, Nkechi. You need to leave immediately.
Emeka, Princess Adeze is getting married. And I will need your help for something. If you do not want her to marry another person.
Wait. Let me understand something. Princess Adeze is getting married. But they just started dating not too long ago. So how possible is that?
It is an arranged marriage.
What?
For her to ascend the throne.
Arranged marriage? But she told me she doesn't have interest in the throne. So what are you saying?
Emeka, stalking her will never help you in any way. If you want her back, then walk with me.
How do you mean? How do I walk with you?
What are you waiting for before you accept Susan's hand in marriage?
I did not oppose that. I just will not accept him being married into this family only for you to be crowned queen.
Well, you have to face reality, my darling. Whether you like it or not, I will be the queen of this kingdom. You have no choice. It's better you do it or we stand the risk of another family taking the throne from us.
Your threats holds no water, Adeze. I once wanted you to be queen of this kingdom. But when I found out the evil that lurks around you, I will never let that happen. You betray the trust of our family. You betray the trust of this kingdom. I will never let you be crowned queen.
Please spare me that sentimental bullshit. Now you stand there to call me a betrayal, isn't it? You think I am one? Whether you like it or not, I am the future queen of this kingdom. Deal with it. Why am I even here arguing with an Enoch like you?
You can go ahead and call me Enoch or whatever you like. That does not change the fact that I decide who becomes queen.
All of a sudden, you have done evil.
We shall see to that.
You cannot fight the gods, my princess.
Ezemo, I need your help. My sister, Uloma, the future queen of this kingdom, is gravely sick, and I fear for her life. Please, help me.
Prince Okadike,
Ezemo,
the darkness surrounding your family is too strong. The answer to your sister's ailment is not only in the physical healing, but also in confronting the shadows that threaten to consume your life.
what must I do, Ezemo, to save my family? I am willing to do whatever it takes to save my sister and restore peace in the palace.
There are two paths before you. It's either you continue to struggle in the darkness surrounding your sister's embodiment, or have her removed permanently.
Removed? By removed you mean kill her?
The choice is yours. But remember, the longer you hesitate, the greater the danger for your sister and our community.
I cannot, Ezemo. I cannot resort to violence. I'm sure there are other ways to sort this out and restore peace in the palace. By the way, since you're aware of my sister's evil activities, why don't you make her confess?
The ways of the spirit are not the ways of men.
I've not heard that before. All the same, there's equally nothing I can do. Thank you, Ezemo.
May the gods lead you. But remember, sometimes the only way to fight darkness is to fight it head on.
My princess.
Daisy, how could you do this to me? How could you betray our love by marrying another man?
What exactly is the color of your problem? Was I speaking Spanish when I told you that whatever we shared was over? Huh? What is wrong? Listen, you are not of any concern to me right now. So I advise you to leave.
Daisy, but I love you so much. I can't withstand the fact that another man is married to you. I can't.
You just keep your mouth. You know what? Why am I even exchanging words with you? Guards!
Daisy.
Guards!
Princess!
Please come take this insolent fool away from my sight.
Daisy.
I would not tolerate any more interruptions.
I still want you in my life. I can't
Are you
lose
joking
you,
with him? Take him away!
Daisy, please!
Lover boy indeed. It's time for power tussle and not time to talk love.
Oh God, move now.
Just calm down.
I don't provoke. I won't. I go.
Please now.
Oga, they come front now. Wait there.
Adeze, please.
Start again. You don't need to start again.
Calm down.
Oga, they go now.
Oga, don't go.
They go.
Adeze, please.
Get my princess.
Onye we chi abụọ ka anyị marụkwa na-ejiri azụ atụ oke afịa lilienu
Nkechi, enough of all these your games. I don't think I can keep up with these games anymore. Enough.
What do you mean by that? Don't you want the princess anymore?
I want the princess now, but what do you want me to do now, eh? The reason I'm just being fixated about all these whole issues is because I love the princess and she's carrying my child.
What? Emeka, I had no idea. How could you keep something like this from me? Does her brother know?
No. But what do you expect me to do now, eh? Do you expect me to go around the whole town announcing it, eh?
Emeka, you are from Umaluoma. According to your tradition, you do not keep your bloodline outside, married or not married. So, you need to claim your child from the royals.
What will I do now? She's getting married to the prince. Or should I go and fight the prince?
Or she getting married to who? Hey, see, Adeze is not getting married to any prince, but Onowu's son, Uzo.
Wait, what? Which of the Onowu's son, please?
Uzo.
Uzo, my friend. No, that's not true. That's not true. It's not possible.
I have just told you the truth, though.
But Uzo is still the same person that told me about this marriage. Or do you mean he lied to me?
Friends, Mbo, I've told you the truth. I
No,
don't
no,
know.
no. This can't be possible. No.
Because what are you doing here? Yeah? What if my father was around?
Ozonaya, do I look like I care? I am here to discuss something very important with you.
Now, what is something very important again? Huh? You know what I have coming on. Huh? I can't be seen with you.
Ozonaya, my parents want to see you. They know about us, about our unborn baby. They just want to see before making any hasty decision.
Oh, huh? Why are you finding it very hard to? No. Tell me, why are you here now to discuss this already tackled matter? Yeah, we've talked about this now. Look, stop behaving like this. I know your plan. Oh, no, I know what you're planning. You want to ruin my marriage with the princess. It will not work. Oh, I swear to God, I will not give you that chance. You cannot do it. Oh,
Please.
Please
listen to me. Calm down and listen to me. You know how much I love you. You know I want us to spend our lives together forever. But my parents are threatening to marry me off to another man. Can't you see it?
Now you're talking now. Go ahead and get married to the man now. Go and marry the man. And leave me alone. Get with your problem now. You're planning to spoil things for me. Oh. Yeah? Enemies. You don't want me to get married to the princess. Ha! Poverty Awagara. Come and be good. Go. Don't worry. You'll be fine.
It's me.
It's you now. It's you. Oh, what's wrong with you? I'm not talking about the palms. I'm not talking about the What go down? What's wrong with you?
Where is that boy? Where is that vagabond? Uso? Uso? Are you the one marrying my Daisy?
You need to calm down. Let me explain this to you. Alright?
So it's true, Uso. So it's true. I called you my friend, Uso. My friend getting married to my girlfriend. Uso, you know how much I love this girl. Why would you do such a thing to me?
Calm down now. Yeah? See the way you are ranting as if it's my fault. Yeah? Adeze made her choice. She wants a worthy suitor. Alright? Someone she can actually rule the kingdom with. A capable hand. You never dash out on my head.
So you call yourself a worthy suitor? You're nothing but a green snake in the green grass. And I will not stand by and allow you to take Adeze from me.
And I will not allow you ruin my plan. Yes, you cannot ruin my plan out of your selfishness.
You know what? You're nothing but a green snake in the green grass and I will treat you fuck up.
You're nothing but a small boy. You feel me? You and your entire family put together cannot do anything to me. To an elephant like me. If you don't know, I'm a lion. One day you come get now. Let's go get 100k, to check 50k, to check 20k.
Let's bet, Uzo. You will not marry my Adeze. Not when I'm alive.
Me and you better.
Let's bet.
Me and you better. I Greek like you. Me and you better. Yeah? Wonder why?
You will not take my Adeze from me.
Wonder why? Wonder why? Okay now. Wonder why stop? Wonder why stop? What? What? And now I'm gonna take it on. I'm gonna take it on. Get up! Take a walk! Where the hell are you? When the catch you go? You don't know me. You don't know me above me. Catch you go. Get out of space. Mogo, oyala. Look, I don't want to ever see you anywhere around this. Let me see you now, you know me somewhere. I have nothing to lose, oh. I have nothing to lose. One day I'm a very poor guy. One day I will destroy your car. I have nothing to lose. I don't even get tired. I will destroy your car. Yo.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomadu enwere gonodu. Ndi ekwensi dinime enwere gonodu.
What are you doing here?
My mother will not take it lightly with you after what happened to my sister in the palace.
I know. And that's why I came. You see, even though Marachi is dead, we can still prove her innocence.
How are you supposed to do that?
About what you told me the other time. Do you have evidence against Adeze? Anything that can show or prove that she poisoned your sister and me?
I am sorry. Your Highness, I don't have any evidence yet. Even though I know that Adeze visited my sister Amarachi before your coronation. It's possible she may have been involved in the poison Amarachi gave to you.
Are you sure my sister visited Marachi?
My mother is the only person that knew about her visit. But
No one. No one will believe the word of a blind woman.
You're right. I want you to keep an eye out for me, for a man. I believe he's the only one who can save my sister right now. This man is not too tall, not too short. He's hairy, with beard.
Your Highness, who is this strange man you speak of? Who is he?
I've not told anyone this, but he's the one who saved me from the poison. But somehow he's hiding his identity.
Why?
I don't know.
Spanner.
Yes, boss.
I told you to visit only on an emergency.
Boss, matter rise. Something happened for Ogogu family. May child still there.
The male child from the Ogogu family still lives. How is that possible?
Boss, I will tell you something. Be like say one blind woman don't dey keep am since. Yes, boss.
The child from the Ogogu family still lives and I'm not alright. How is that possible? Spanner.
Boss, I tell you.
Look, I don't know what you want from me, okay? So how can I possibly help you?
I know you want the princess. In the other hand, I don't want her to become the queen of this land.
What are you talking about, please?
I want to rule the opportunity of her becoming the queen.
How do you intend doing that? You know she's unstoppable.
We can stop her. Yes. You know her too. So, Emeka, tell me. Tell me about her bad records.
Bad record? I don't think she has any. You know the princess is a good girl.
Good girl. Anyway, what about the baby? You said she's pregnant for you, right?
Yes.
Then claim the baby. She'll become your wife.
What? No, I can't do that. I don't think I would indulge in such.
Emeka, don't be a fool. Claim the baby. Yes.
So you're trying to tell me I should just go and get the baby from her, or what? What do you mean? I don't
The
understand.
baby is yours.
Hello. What are you doing?
I'm tired. I want to die. I am tired of suffering. Please kill me.
You will not die. Okay? You will not die, I promise.
If you love me as your sister, please kill me.
I said you will not die. You will not die.
I'm suffering.
Come. You will not die. You will not die, I promise you.
Come outside! Out! Get out!
I have failed.
You have not failed, my prince. You see, the battle you are facing alone is a battle for another, not yours.
I don't understand the word you just said. Meanwhile, what about the man I asked you to help me search for?
I found him.
Then take me to him at once.
My prince, there is something you need to know, very important. There is another royal bloodline in this our kingdom. And this very stranger you seek is the last remaining heir.
Another royal bloodline in this kingdom. How is that even possible?
Very possible. Very, 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 very possible, my prince. In fact, you see this very stranger we are talking about now has the key to your sister's healing. Yes.
Then why are we wasting so much time? Take me to his house.
One more thing, my prince. See, this stranger can as well take over the throne if he wishes. Roma.
Chinaboniteze. If this stranger has the power to heal my sister, then he can as well take the throne for all I care.
No, that's my prince. Oh, one cannot. See, my prince, there's something in your mind. Well, you just wiped that very thing you said now. Don't even let a second ear hear it. The throne is yours. You are our next king. Why would you even think of somebody coming to take over the throne that is rightfully yours? We can look for a way to, meet with the stranger boy and get throne. I pray with that.
There's a more.
No.
Have you found any trace to the missing male child?
His presence is elusive. His face glared, out of sight, and hidden under the shadow.
That is totally unacceptable. We must find him and eliminate him before he becomes a threat to our power.
Indeed or no, his existence threatens the very foundation of our authority. We cannot allow him to roam free.
Ezemo, you do not seem to understand. We cannot afford to fail. Our power, our legacy, everything is at stake.
You think I'm not aware of that? This affects me as much as it does to you.
What do? We must uncover the truth and secure our dominance.
We must delve deeper into the spiritual realm and cast our net very wide until we unearth the hidden face. I will be needing something that belongs to him.
Otope to sasia igirigi na yo momo adie kuchesi okwaka o janye lichi kucheke makeni ni ade.
They send your small boys after me.
Now what can bring out your hand? I told you not that I don't want to ever see you in my compound again. Take your cat and leave this place.
How dare you? You know, Uzo, you forgot how deadly I am. One more word from me, I will blow your head off. I promise you.
Emeka, you're pointing your gun at me. Emeka.
Yes. This should be my last warning to you. If you mess with me next time, you won't be alive to tell the story. I promise you. I will mess you up. You know me, right? You know how deadly I can be. A word is enough for the wise. You beg Ife.
My ba, if not for one thing, I could do your things and things. I could put them for your body, what? Me? Emeka.
What if they accuse us of poisoning Princess Uloma, like they did to Amachi? And please, I don't want to be part of this. Like, I don't want to be punished for the crime I did not commit.
My sister, I understand your fear. But think about it. We've been serving this palace for years now, and nobody's going to suspect us or doing anything. Even if they want to do that, they would have done that a long time ago.
Do you think they are not waiting for the moment to do this?
There's nothing like waiting for any moment. If they really wanted to interrogate us, they would have done that. See, let me tell you something. Leaving the palace now will make us guilty, look guilty. So it's just better we stay and focus on our house and on work. That's just it.
I understand, but I'm very, very scared.
It's fine.
Let's get back to work.
I'm coming.
The great priest of Umuamak in my house. What a great day.
Woman, I heard that the son you claim died during childbirth is alive. True or false? Speak plainly, or you face the consequences of telling the people lies for 26 years.
My son lives, Chief Priest. He walks in a path only known to him. Be rest assured, he will be revealed in due time.
Woman, you speak in people's terms. I'm running out of patience.
I speak the truth, Chief Priest. My son's destiny is intertwined with the forces beyond your comprehension. Embrace the uncertainty. He will be revealed in due time.
Woman, you speak nonsense. There is no iota of truth in the words you have spoken. You said your son is dead. You said it.
You almost sound as if you really want my son dead. I can feel your heartbeat from here.
Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. The evil people are taking control. Enemies within. Enemies within.
Kadike, I feel so strong. The gods has healed me.
Wow. Now this is great news. How did this happen?
It's like a dream. A strange man. He administered a liquid in my mouth. And when I woke up, I felt so strong. Like a burden was taken off my shoulders.
Tell me about this young man.
I couldn't see his face. It felt like the gods sent him to me. Or it could be our father.
No. This can never be. He came again. Did he come?
Ukadike, who came again?
Did you see him? He's like, he just disappeared. I didn't see him. How come? What are we going to tell boss? Bro, we have to look for him because boss don't like bad news. Of course, we must find him. He must be around here. Let's go and look for him.
The devil is so we are praising you in Africa. The devil is so we are praising you in Africa.
I heard you're traveling pretty soon.
Yes. So it's just you and our brother now. Honestly, I pray for the best for this kingdom while I'm away.
Oh, such a noble thing to do. Leaving the kingdom, running away from the kingdom. I mean, it is quite impressive.
I am leaving for my own personal reasons. You don't have to mock me.
Mock you say? Huh? Darling, you are running away from the kingdom because of immense sickness and you think I am mocking you. Hell no, I am not. I mean, it's a noble thing to do. All applauds to you. I have an advice for you. Now that you have decided to leave for good and never come back.
This promise mine forever. Nobody go take it away.
Don't say something. It's just
promise mine forever. Nobody go take it away.
Oh my goodness.
The devil is on we are praising you in Africa.
God.
The devil is on we are praising you in Africa.
God.
This crown is mine forever. Nobody.
Go to the town crier. Tell him to announce the existence of another bloodline in our kingdom. And I seek their aid to uncover this heir.
Yes, Your Highness.
Tell them that whosoever brings information that will bring about the discovery of this heir will be richly rewarded.
Yes, Your Highness.
Go now.
Thank you, Your Highness.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomanu enwere gonodu. Ndi ekwensu jinime enwere gonodu. The evil people are taking control. Enemies winning.
Who's the Modisi back?
The prince now knows about the existence of the last royal bloodline, and yet you could not find out the last male child of the Ogbogu family.
Oh no, don't worry. Adeze just left. She brought an item belonging to him. Get your men. They will need Akalaju to hold him down. As you do that, inform the elders we are proceeding as planned.
Our kingdom is in shambles. Who is behind this?
What am I doing here? Huh?
How did this happen? I mean, who are you both working for? Who are you working for?
How many questions at a time? You really gave me a hard time. If not that substance, you would have become invisible just like before. Hello, boss. We have him right now with us. Okay, boss. Okay, we are waiting.
Afa, it's in boss talk now. Man, know if I could just test this mercy on top in brain.
Boss saying he's coming, he want to handle me himself.
Guys, listen guys, you need to know something. Whoever sent you to do this will eliminate you immediately you kill me. I beg of you, just let me leave. Let me go for the sake of your own lives too. Please.
Shut up! You're lucky my boss wants to handle you himself.
You just swallow your eyes.
You better keep quiet and remain silent here.
Stop. I want to kill your fellow friend.
What is going on here? Why are you blocking my way?
My presence. I've been instructed to keep you out of the palace, you and your family.
What nonsense are you talking about? Someone instructed you to keep me and my family out of the palace.
Yes,
why is that? Have you forgotten that I'm the head princess of this kingdom? Huh?
I'm sorry, my princess, but that is the instruction.
Are you mad? Eh? Inesife? Now I want you to give me names. Tell me who gave such orders and I will cut off the person's head right now. But well, if you can't say, you will get out of my way so I could get into the palace, else you would lose your job. Excuse me.
I'm sorry, but you can't.
Asandu! Are you... Leave that!
Onye we chi abụọ ka anyị marụkwa na-ejiri azụ atụ oke afịa
Father, you're a man. Odogwu Akataka. Eh? Father, I knew this is what you've been dreaming of. But I thank God we got it. Yeah? Odogwu Nnam.
Ichie Ezekwesili one of Umuomako. Son, the time has finally come.
Exactly.
Now that Ukadike and his siblings are out of the palace,
good.
Our turn, our time to take over the throne has come.
Indeed, our time has come. Yes, of course, Father. And now that the princess is no longer a threat, I mean the princess Adeze is no longer in line to becoming the heir apparent to the throne, I can now go ahead and marry whoever I want and still ascend the throne, right?
Hold your horses, my boy.
Okay.
Though the path to the kingship may seem clear, but we must tread with caution.
Okay.
There is no way you will become king when I'm still alive.
Father, I don't understand. What are you talking about? I thought we...
You thought wrong, Bozo. Yes, I may have groomed you to become the king and probably take over the throne. But the tides have changed. I will now become the king while you become the...
No, wait, Father!
You only ascend the throne when I'm gone.
Father, it's not possible! Are you serious right now? Father, you deceived me! You used me! Are you this evil? Father, you used me to achieve your evil ambition. And now you're tossing me aside.
Shut up.
You want to use and dump me?
Shut up. How can you become king when I'm still alive?
Father, come to think of this. Are you in any way thinking that the elders of the land will allow you to ascend the throne? It feels not possible.
Let's see which of them defies me.
Father, I lost my woman and my child because of this. Are you serious right now? Father! Father!
Mother, it's been days since we last heard from Uchenna. I've tried calling him. His phone is either off or unreachable.
I know how you feel. No Uchenna has ever done this before, staying this long without communicating with us. I feel something bad has happened to my son.
What if something terrible has happened to him, Mama?
May the gods forbid. Nothing will happen to Uchenna. I pray that the gods will always protect him. Uchenna, evil eyes will not see you. The gods will always protect you.
Amen. Let me try it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, my dear. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Was that your name?
My name is Ukamaka, sir.
Ukamaka. Beautiful. I know you like to quiz this job. Make a fortune for yourself.
I love my job, sir.
See, I want to marry you. Take good care of you. You deserve to be the wife of a rich man. Huh? Ukamaka, think about it. You'll be the one to give.
Madam, what did anyone want from you?
Olu say he wants to marry me.
He wants to marry you. What did Onowu see in low life like you? And what do you even answer him?
I've not answered him, but I'm not going to marry him. He's an old man.
I've always known you're a fool. Do you know that if you get married to Onowu, you will gain a lot from him? Do you know how many ladies he has taken away from this village?
Amarachi. Amara. I do not care. But me, I am not going to marry Onowu. He's an old man. I don't care if he has money. It's none of my business. But I cannot marry him.
You're a fool. See, open your eye. You better shine your eye. You not marry him. You don't want to marry an old man.
Elders of Umoma, it is evident that the royal family has failed in their duty to rule this kingdom. I therefore propose, as the esteemed Onowu of this kingdom, that I take over the mantle of leadership of this great kingdom to lead our people to prosperity.
Oh no, this is an outrage. The throne rightfully belongs to the royal lineage. So, we must honor our tradition and find a suitable successor among the royal family.
Enough, Ndukwe. It is evident that your outdated traditions blinds you to the realities of the kingdom. I will not entertain dissent. You can leave if you are not ready to follow the path I've set forth.
No. I will not support this. This is very outrageous.
Does any one of you see oppose me? Well, I take your silence to mean consent. My coronation is tomorrow.
Tomorrow is a Kemaka day, but we could do our coronation on Afo.
Tradition is what I say it is.
No, or Adabakwa.
No, I want to remind you that we are the custodian of our tradition. Tradition must be obeyed. We don't coronate on a Kemake day, rather on Afomake day.
Like I said before, tradition is what I say it is. My coronation comes up tomorrow, period. Tell your drunkard of a brother that I am coming to pay your bride price.
Oh no, with all due respect, I cannot marry you. You are an old man. There are other beautiful ladies in this kingdom. Choose from them, not me. Not me, definitely. Not me. I cannot marry you.
Listen,
please.
I am the future king of this kingdom. Do you want to defy me? Tell your brother, for I know he's the only family you have. After my coronation tomorrow, I'll be coming to pay your bride price, and you will be my queen.
You don't become big. I still cannot marry him. He's an old man. No.
Nkechi, we need to find your brother. I know you're hiding him, but not anymore. He holds the key to the future of this kingdom.
But Your Highness, we've searched everywhere for him to no avail. But why do you think he should take the throne? We are not royal.
He healed me from the poison when no one else could. I believe he's the only heir of the other royal bloodline destined to rule this kingdom.
What about our lineage? Your Highness, why should an outsider take precedence over the rightful rulers of Umama?
Nkechi, sometimes destinies unfold in a way mere humans cannot comprehend. If your brother is the chosen one, we must embrace that. Put him on the throne for the future of our great kingdom.
You are a good man. You have lots of luxury to your disposal. But what I don't understand is why you still fight for the throne for someone else.
Well, that's because I want the right person to take that throne. We cannot allow Onowu to continue with his evil deeds in this kingdom.
We are late. He will be crowned today, but my brother is nowhere to be found. Once he becomes the king, no authority supersedes.
We must find your brother at once.
Where did you keep him?
What do you mean? Which kind of talk with that one?
China Boniface, where did you keep him?
I don't keep him. Why I supposed to keep him? That won't be your business again.
It's not my business, right? Listen, that boy is a descendant of Omogo, the only surviving heir to the royal bloodline. So these people should not touch him. There's been a clan covering him and making him to drink. Nobody should touch him. Don't touch him. Destiny cannot be averted. So I ask you again, where did you keep him?
You don't want my playing film here, eh? I could also
Emeka, I know you are a good man and you might benefit from it.
You don't get it. I don't want the princess anymore. So why on earth do you think I will help you out?
I'll give you 10 million naira for a cooperation and access to the princess. I know you still like her. I can see the anger in your eyes. You're angry because you still want her back. I'm very sure she will want you back, especially now she can no longer be the queen.
But, my prince, what do you want me to do? What exactly do you want me to do, please?
I hear word that you are the king of this street here in the village. I want you to make some calls. I believe someone has been kidnapped. I'm doing this for the sake of our people and not for Daisy.
Oh, my prince, I really appreciate your kind gesture. Thank you very much. I will see what I can do about that.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, I don't think there is still time. The ceremony has already started at the palace. So, let's go.
Let's get to work.
Okay, my prince.
Our kingdom is in trouble. Our land is in trouble. Makanandi ajomano, emwere gono do. Dear when sitting in me, emwere gono do.
See, young man, do yourself a favor by leaving this village now. Now, like I said, now. Now. No!
He's wanted alive, but for you, I have no reason to spare you.
Now, if I put to Akagani. Lower your hand, this is a...
Hello, stop. Elders of our kingdom, please hear me out. What do you want here? I am the true descendant of the late chief priest of our kingdom, Manhood. I am here to present to you the remaining heir of another bloodline of this kingdom.
Yes, my elders. Yes, my name is China Boniface.
I am the real noble great-grandson of Ebogo, the real royal bloodline and the heir to the throne.
This is a blessed day. Our kingdom, true rulers, have been revealed. Long live our new king.
Long live our future prince.
This cannot be. You? It's been you all this while.
Even now, Ijebo. Ijebo,
Oh no.
How did you do it? How did you do it?
Relax yourself. Oh, pick your call now. Yeah?
What is the color of your problem?
I don't know. Yeah. Blue or white and black.
You don't know.
I don't know.
I was told you came to my house looking for me, insisting you want to see me. Wazico. And you've been calling and calling and calling my phone. What the hell do you want from me?
Ngo, I want us back together. Ngo, I can't afford to lose you. You know I love you so much. Yes, look, I was manipulated into leaving you. My father manipulated me. You know I love you. I truly loved you. Please, you need to forgive me.
You can't afford to lose me. A commoner like me.
No, you're not a commoner.
The enemy of your progress.
Stop, Opani.
Uzonaya, are you mentally okay? Eh?
Please. Look, because I am nothing without you. You're my life. You're my everything. I don't know what to do without you. I want you in my life. I want you. I was deceived by my father. Please, I am sorry. I am sincerely sorry. Please, you need to forgive me. Please, come back to me. Please, please, please. Ngozi, Bikono. Huh? Bikono. What do you want me to do? What exactly do you want me to? I'm ready to do anything. Just tell me what to do just to have you back in my life, please. Please. Bikono, Ngom, Bikono. Huh? Ngom.
Well, I'm nothing like you.
Okay. Okay.
To err is human.
Yes.
And to forgive
is divine.
Is divine.
Yes, yes. Oh, yeah. Just like that. Oh, come here, come here. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Well, since we are no longer enemies.
Yeah, we can never be enemies.
I would like to invite you for my wedding, taking place next tomorrow at St. Patrick's Church. Do well to attend.
Ngozi, you're not serious now. How can you do this to me? Wedding kwa? Ngozi, come. Ngo? No, now you can't do this to me now. Eh?
Bye bye.
Ngo? You cannot do this. Ngo! Ngo! Hey!
No. How can he still be alive? Get out of here before I strike you dead.
The information of the fourth god can be disappointing. Your time is up.
Get out of here before I strike you dead.
You are joking because I have come to take what rightfully belongs to me.
I am the rightful guardian of this tribe, chosen by the gods themselves.
You speak of the gods while your lineage is trained by deceit. Your grandfather unjustly seized this position from mine, fabricating accusation stories to boost up his claims.
Lie! I can't allow you to tarnish the image of my family.
You connived with Onowu to take away the throne from the rightful heir. You brought your foreign gods that does your bidding and put our Gugu away. Guess what? The gods of our land are always with me. I am fully back.
Get out here! I warned you! Get out of this place!
Stop wasting your time. The fire you waged against me shall consume you.
Your Highness, we must put things in place. It is too much.
Of course. What are you doing? I am still your noble of this kingdom. How can you start a meeting without me?
You are Onowu title have been stripped from you. You are no more the Onowu of this kingdom.
This is preposterous. I have served this kingdom faithfully for years. You cannot cast me aside like that.
Hey, Onowu, your reign of oppression and injustice comes to an end today. All the land that you collected illegally, unlawfully, and what again? All of them have been returned back to their rightful owners.
You cannot do this. I cannot stand and watch my legacy crumble before me. My king, you can't let them do this.
It is quite unfortunate that my hands are tied. Like my Onowu rightfully said, in a kingdom there is no way you can have two Onowu in just one kingdom. Right here is the perfect Onowu for this great kingdom. So please, I do not want to sound disrespectful. I really appreciate it if you can quietly, as a gentleman that you are, go back to where you are coming from. For I was having a very important meeting with my cabinet.
My king, you can't do this. I've served this kingdom faithfully for so many years.
He can do what?
Like I said, the meeting will be a holy. It's very, very important. So please, excuse us. And I wouldn't want to use force on you. Excuse us. So I know like you were saying. My king, gentlemen, leave. My king, I've served this kingdom faithfully. My king, you can't do this.
Guards! The king say you want to put out of the palace. Guards! Leave. It's just as simple as that. Ungrateful Onowu.
My king.
So, Honorable, like you were saying.
That's no one can.
And some Father, what have I done to you? How could you do this to me? Father, you cost me everything. You cost me the throne, the love of my life, my child. How could you? How could you?
Listen, Rosa, I am not in the mood. I do not want to hear your pity stories.
No, come back here! How dare you walk out on me? You listen to me when I talk to you. If I talk to you, you listen. How dare you walk out on me?
Rosa, what has come over you?
Father, what do you have to tell me? What can you tell me right now? Speak! I have a few questions for you. And I want you to go straight to the point and answer my questions. Father, are you now the king of this great kingdom? Are you still Hezekiah? Are you still the unknown, or you've lost everything out of your grave? Out of the quest of taking what is not yours. And you had to pull me down with you. You had to drag me into your mess.
Please, my son. I never meant for any
No,
of this.
no, please, no, please.
I was blinded by my ambition, and now we've lost everything. I'm sorry. Please don't kill me, people. You're my son, remember, I'm your father.
Shut up! No. Shut your mouth. If I hear you're my father one more time, I swear to God, I know who I will behead you.
I'm sorry.
I will behead you and nothing, absolutely nothing will happen.
I am your father. Please, Biko, don't kill me. Please don't kill me, please.
Now listen to me. This is a reminder that any time a deceitful thought crosses your mind, you will never think of putting it to work. Right? You will be reminded of this very moment each time.
Sorry, my son, please.
You want to do evil.
I guess we are relieved that your best friend is now the king.
Of course, yes. I'm even more relieved that he is now, when I actually thought he was your brother. He looks very scary.
And all of this would not have been possible without.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I truly appreciate. Thank you.
Stop. I don't think my sister will be happy about this.
Oh my God.
What is it?
What just happened?
What?
My manhood. It just moved. It has not moved since after my coronation.
Are you serious?
Yes! I think I'm a man again.
Oh my God.
I heard all you said.
Thank you very much, Mama.
And I am happy for you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I am so happy.
Thank
I am
you.
very, very, very happy. My
you so
daughter.
much.
Mama.
I am happy for you.
Everyone.
Is that my son's voice?
Yes, Mama.
Hey! Uchenna!
The greatest sense more of our time. I greet you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome, great man.
Thank you very much.
Now.
Mama.
Welcome.
I brought good news.
Eh.
I also brought bad news.
Okay.
Isabel Adeze here. She has finally joined her ancestors. But the good news here is about Mama.
Eh.
So what about Mama?
I have finally obtained the golden staff. With its power, I can restore sight for those who has lost their sight.
Hi. Now. But the doctor said I cannot see again. Now they go late.
Mama, is not true. Those are the words of mortal. The gods has not spoken. The spirit control the physical. Mama, you can see again.
Hey,
Mama.
Huh?
Mama, what is it? What is it, Mama? Mama. What now?
Can you see me?
Do it again.
Mama? Can you see
me?
Mama?
Can
you see me?
I can see.
Mama, you can see.
I told you, Mama.
No.
I can see.
No.
Mama, if you can see, what am I wearing?
Ochano.
Mama.
Wakocha. No.
Thank you very much.
I can see.
Yes,
no.
Onye we chi abụọ ka anyị marụkwa na-ejiri azụ atụ oke afịa onye na-amarozi ya soro fekeli maka na agha ngota dị anụ jichi ọ bụrụ na ndị ụzụ tụche